So welcome back guys to Itsruntym. Today we will be starting this questions for binary tree. We will be covering 81 and 82 questions. Both are easy. So first question is, find the maximum depth of binary tree. Now what is the depth? Depth of the binary tree is the distance between the root and the leaf node. Okay, so we will find the maximum distance. Let's see. One distance is one depth of this one. Okay, this is one and this one is 2, right? This 2, this is 2, correct? So these are the depth. We need to find the maximum. It's a simple question, right? It's a simple recursive question. We will use the post order traversal. We will go to the left first, then traverse to the right. Okay, so if we go to the 9, we will go to the 9, we will get the depth of 1. Again it will go back, it will go to 20, again it will be 1 only, then it will go to the 15, it will get 2, then it will go to the 7, it will get again 2. So maximum we will get 2, right? So let's say we are having our function max depth. Okay, so this is our function. We will be given our root node, correct? Now we will be having one base condition, right? If root equal to null, we will simply return 0. Okay, we need to return the maximum depth, that is int. Okay, now we will call for the leftmost. Okay, so int left, it will return some length, correct? So int left equal to max depth root dot left. Okay, so when it will reach to the this node, it will check for the left, right? It will return 0, then it will come to this node. Okay, this line of code, then it will call for the right. Max depth root dot right. Again for this also it will get 0 because it's null. Okay, this part is null, correct? It will return 0. Now we will get the maximum of both, so we will return math dot max left comma right plus 1. Why we are doing plus 1? See, we will be returning for this node, right? For 9 we will be returning, so we will add plus 1 because this is the one length, the distance between its root and this node, correct? So we will return plus 1, right? So this is the simple line of code. Now okay, so from here we will get 1. Now it will call for the right node. Okay, so it will go to the 20, then it will go to the 15, then it will get 0 because it's null. Okay, here it will be null. Okay, so from here it will return 1, correct? It will return 1. Now from here it will go to the 7, again it will return 1, correct? And from here it will return maximum of both, that is left and the right, plus 1. In this case it's same only, right? So 1 plus 1, it will be 2. Okay, let's say we are having one more node here. Let's say this is 17. Okay, now it will go to the 17, correct? 15 will go to the 17, then it will return 1, then 15 will return 2. Okay, then here will be maximum of both, that is left and the right, so it will be 2 plus 1, that is 3. Okay, so that's why we are checking the maximum of both left and the right. So this is the code, simple code, right? This is the easy question. Now let's see the second question. So second question is same tree. Now we will be given two trees. We need to find if they are similar or not. Okay, so let's see the example. These are the two trees. Okay, now these are similar or not? 1 root are same, left child 2, left child 2 is same, right child 3 is equal to the right child 3. So these are same. So we can say true. These both are similar. Let's see this example. Root is 1. Root is 1. Correct. Correct. Now check the left child. It's 2. But in this case, it's not 2. It's null. Right? Nothing is there. So we will return false. Okay. So we are having 3 cases basically. First case is if node value is different, then it will not be similar, right? Second, if some node is not present, let's say here left is present but it's not present in the second tree, so we need to check if left or right both are present or not present. Okay, or not present. So these are the 2 cases. Okay, if node value is different or some node is present in one tree and not present in the second tree. So these are the cases we need to check. Let's write the code. Let's say we are having the function as same tree, right? And this we will be given 2 nodes. Okay, that is 2 trees. So node P, node Q. Correct. These are the 2 trees. Now what is the base condition? Base condition will be if both are null, we will return true. Let's take a boolean checker equal to true. If P equal to null and Q equal to null, then we will simply return true. So we will return checker, that is true. Now what are the conditions for false? There are 3 conditions basically. If let's say P is not equal to null but Q is null and Q is null, this is the one case, right? And vice versa, if P equal to null and Q not equal to null, in this case also it will not be similar, right? What is the third case? If their value is not equal, P dot val is not equal to Q dot val. In this case we will return false. Okay, false. So now we have checked for the root node, right? We have checked their value, or if anything is null, so we will return false. Otherwise, if both are equal and both are not null, then so we will call for the left node in both the trees, right? P dot left, Q dot left, and after that we will call for the right, that is P dot right and Q dot right. Okay, and for this also we will perform the same function. Okay, we will check this condition for the sub tree, right? See, if in this case here in place of 2 it's 4, let's say it's 4, then it will not be equal, right? So we are checking for the subtrees, so we need to check the condition. If subtree is also equal, then we will say it's true, right? So I'm writing the condition. If let's say as same tree, P dot left, Q dot left. Okay, if this is true and it should be true for right also. Okay, so if it's true for the left subtree and it's also true for the right subtree, then we will say it's a similar tree. As same for P dot right and Q dot right. If both are true, then only it will be true. If either one of this is false, then we will say it's false. So we will be using and operator. Okay, so we have to write this code only here. Let's put the value in check, okay, which we initialized earlier. as same tree, we will call for the left subtree, that is p dot left and q dot left, and it should be true for right subtree also, p dot right and q dot right. Okay, if either one of this is false, then checker will be false, and at the end we will return checker. Correct. So this is the simple solution for second question, that is same. So we are checking the base condition. If both are null, we will simply return true, and then we are checking these three conditions. If any of these is true, then we will return false. Okay, means if either node is a null in either of the tree, we will return false, or its value is not same, then also we will return false. Then we are checking for the left subtree and right subtree, same logic. If both are true, then we will return true. If either one of that is false, then we will return false. Okay, so that's the question. I hope you understood. If there is some query, leave a comment, I will reply. Thank you. Be consistent.